Yes, here's. There we go. Look at that. There we go. It's the 77R based one. There it is. You've seen the box before on eBay. Sorry about that. There, it's starting to slide. There we go. Oh, look at that. Ford's alkaline battery. Nice. I shall keep that for my collection. There it is. Uh-oh. Got two mounting packets. Because it's got the test socket. No, at least, or microchips there, and the horn. All right. We'll get a battery and my hearing protection. All right. Mic chirp. Not sure if it will or not. If I can get the battery in there. No, it didn't. Ooh. Nice. Nice sound to it. Back of the cover. On battery units. It's because they also made a hardwired version. And there's also a version of it in Canada. Hello, got scared. Okay. I'm not sure why it's like the button's not fixed. There we go. There we go. And at the back of it, 837-166-66600. Nice. And now, I'll show you the box. And you've seen it though, in my eBay video. We've seen a couple in house browsing. Okay, here's part two. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's the test socket. It shows it as a metal connector. I mean, clamp. And then the wire connector. Y-shaped slot. Well, there we go, folks. Give it another test for you. I like it. There you go, folks. Thanks for watching.